We on behalf of Tripura, the youth wing of Tripura, and we are Youth Tripura Federations, led by Maharaja Pradyut Bikram Manikya, Royal Scion of Tripura. See, today, as we know that few days back or few months back, we came to know through NDTV from your channel that the Bangladesh government is building an embankment here, crossing the rules and regulations, breaking the laws of that 50 guards should not be crossed from each of the borders, and they have crossed that line, and we came here to oppose. I, being a proud Indian, being a proud citizen of this state, I have the rights to oppose all this, what the Bangladesh government are doing on these issues. So on these issues, we here, as what our Maharaja says, if the government of India can't do all those works, we have it's our duty as the citizens of this state and as the indigenous people of this state, it is our duty. I don't know why the government of India is not looking into this matter. That's why we said, Maharaj said that if a Bangladesh government, if they cross our borders a single inch, we are not going to give a single inch. Instead of single inch, we are going to reclaim or take out their CHT and Cox Bazar, and we will form a new Goa in Bangladesh. It's our guarantee and warranty as well. So I just want to say, government of India, give us an access if you don't have the power. With the youths, you just give us a 15 to 20 minutes. We are going to break that embankment and we'll show the power of the youth in Tripura as well.